Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So today's video, I got Eyescream Beauty box. Yes, we are in September, but this is the one from August, okay? So don't hate me. This is going to be very, very short. I just want to do a quick unboxing, quick swatches of things, and that's it because I want to show you guys how amazing this is, and maybe you're interested in the September ones or not. I'm super interested because of what I saw in this box. I'm so intrigued of what's going to be here for September. So if you guys want to tune into that video, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so Eyescream Beauty box, like I said, is gonna be a short video, so let's just get into it. August, it was mermaid. Like, is there anything better than mermaids or butterflies? No. So the August was mermaid, and my favorite color is purple. It does tell you everything about the products, how much everything costs, and then there's little cute like mermaids all over the little card. Like, this is adorable, adorable. And then here are all, there they are, okay, full of peanuts. Big ticket item is Earth Harbor. I know we're starting with the skincare, but I want to get the boring stuff out of the way. I don't really like Earth Harbor. Everything I've tried with Earth Harbor like breaks me out. I'm just not a big fan of it, so I'm gonna pass this along. This is the Nutrient Glow Moisturizing Spirulina something mermaid milk. I think it's just a moisturizer. It's actually very pretty. Like, it's a pretty color. This muted green. No, I'm not a fan of. Oh my god, it's gonna come out. Oh, okay, that almost slipped out. It did. That's what she said. So I'm gonna put this in one of my giveaway piles. So I'm gonna put it over here. It's $42, and I think this box was $25, if I can remember. I'm pretty sure it was $25. And then I think it's like I think that includes like shipping and handling too. So honestly, you get your bang for your buck. Like, you already got your bang for your buck for what you got. I just don't care for Earth Harbor, and a lot of people do. I'm gonna save the palette for last. There is this amazing duochrome palette, so just wait. And I got the Charmacy Chrome liquid eyeliner. I have not opened this up, so I'm really excited. This is a duochrome liquid eyeliner. This is metallic chrome, and it's like this really pretty like purple iridescent box. Oh, eyeliner is pretty cool, if I might say so myself. Oh, I put a lot. Sorry guys, I put a lot. Oh, it's like blue. Like, I don't know if you could tell the shift in the color. Can you tell the shift? It's like blue to purple and like a red. That is so cool. Wow. Obviously you can do like small lines. I just accidentally put a lot. Should we put on this eyeliner? Need a mirror. Let me go get a mirror. Let's do this. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see anything because my lights are super bright. Is there anything better than playing with makeup at 11 o'clock at night? I don't think so. I must admit, that looks sickening. I don't know if you guys can tell. Do you see that? Chromy goodness of the color. Like, look at that. You see that? That is freaking cool. Like, in real life, it looks really cool. Let me see if I could take a video. I mean, I hope you guys can see this. Like, I think it looks better on my phone camera. Look at that. Holy moly, you see that? And then in real life, it doesn't look blue, it looks purple. Like, it does shift into the blue, but that is so cool. Oh my god. And then look at this. Sorry guys, look at this. So far this is a win. I really like that. And that is multi-chrome liquid eyeliner by Chroma Globo. It was $12. It shifts between 3 to 4 colors depending on how the light hits. You can use it over black eyeliner, which I think that is a pretty cool idea, or on its own to create different looks. This is a lipstick, Beauty for Certain. This is a Beauty for Certain lipstick in the color 50. The color 50. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Matte. That's weird. They don't usually send matte. Oh, this is a metallic matte color. Okay. It's like deep red. Yeah, I don't know. Is that dry matte? How? Looks so shiny. Okay, so here's the lipstick. Okay, so here's how the lipstick looks like. It doesn't really look that super matte. What do you guys think? It looks like a regular like lipstick. Like I don't see a big difference, but let me know what you think. It's drying matte, like it's pretty dry. So okay, then this is Sparkles. I think this is like a Mermaid Ocean Breeze. I think this is a loose pigment. This is a loose pigment by Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. Really pretty blue color. Can you see that? It's really pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, so you can build it up or you can sheer it out. So that's the one built up. Look at how beautiful it has, like a hint of light blue, or this one is sheared out. So you can just put it like on right here. So you can put them just like this. And it'd be cute. It would be cute. And this retails for $10. And then the lipstick retails for $22. I don't think this I mean, I can't feel it, which is a good thing. And it's like a little shiny. I do like the color. Like I actually think I would use this. $22. That's a lot of money. And then last but not least is the palette. Look how beautiful this palette is. So this is Mermaid Tales X Eyescream Beauty. And this is a duochrome palette. So it has duochromes in it. And the palette retails for $35. And then you guys ready? You guys ready? But bam, look at how beautiful those colors look. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So Seashell is this duochrome. It looks kind of gray, like looks gray on your side, but on my side is purple and blue. Like she purple and blue. Look at that. You see? It shifts to blue. Like I don't think it does it justice, but it's so beautiful. And then Siren. Oh, that's creamy. I thought this was gonna be not creamy. For some reason, this one looked really hard pressed, but it's so creamy. That looks like Little Mermaid's tail. Like that green. Oh, it's like a green purple. Oh, I love it. Look at that. It's like green purple. Oh my god, this doesn't do it justice. Like these lights do not do it justice. It looks so much better on my view. And then let's do Splash. Splash looks like a really pretty, vibrant, fluorescent green. Oh, that's gorgeous. That shimmer is gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. That is so beautiful. And then let's do Ursula. Ursula is a deep purple. Deep purple. Ursula. And then let's do one more. Let's do this bright pink. This one right here, the bright pink one. It's like fluorescent. Like it matches my nails of how fluorescent it is. Because my nails are like glow in the dark fluorescent nails. And then that is the, wow, that's very pigmented. That's very pigmented for a pink shade. So those are a couple of the colors. Let me know what you think. I think I want to put, it has a nice mirror too. Like this is a good color story. I think I want to put Siren. That very pretty green color all over my lids. I know I have some already, but I feel like this look needs something. I mean, that's pretty. Like it shifts from green to purple, and then this duochrome eyeliner. Ooh, it's nice. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I want to use these colors more and more. Eyeliners are completely dry. The lipstick is completely dry. That loose pigment, I think the loose pigment and the moisturizer are like at the bottom end of this box. Everything else is freaking amazing in real life because it is amazing. Look at that. Okay, so let me know what you think of this Eyescream Beauty box. Like I said, I think it was $25. You do get 5 full-size makeup, sometimes some skincare, sometimes tools, and I'm obsessed. Like I really, really like this beauty box. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Hopefully we can get the September one soon so we can have another unboxing. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In November would be my 3rd year here on YouTube. What I'm trying to do is have 3,000 subscribers before my 3rd year here on YouTube. I don't know how we're doing. Numbers stress me out, so I don't want to look, but I really hope that you would join the Sally family. Like this video, it really does help out my channel so much more than you know, and click the little notification bell. Click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.